Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want you guys to please try this super quick short haircuts for natural hair. This style you can see is very versatile and is that style that's very low maintenance style. It's also a wash and go style. One thing with this style is also a haircut that will take many years of your age. If you really want that haircut that will take 20-30 years of your age, this is the right haircut for you guys to try. I just love this particular haircut because you can see how this hair really enhances the beauty of this woman. And one thing with this style, you shouldn't let it to lack moisture. You must always use a hydrating coil friendly product to always restore moisture and always define your coils. And I love this style because you can see is that simple and elegant style that can be worn as a casual day-to-day hairstyle, like if you have the curls. And one favorite thing about the curls is that it's that style that creates that kind of volume on your hair and still make you look so prominent. You can see how it really makes her look so sophisticated. One thing about the style is also another fun way for you to look beautiful and a gentle way for you to wear your natural hair, because you can see how this hairstyle blends so perfectly with the skin tone, and is that kind of hairstyle that can be recommended to always maintain your look and make you look so beautiful. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind, like in the comment section below. I would like you guys to just please opt for this very simple and easy yet sophisticated natural haircut, because my favorite thing about the style is just the uniform blended fade, and I can recommend this style to those beautiful matured women out there who are constantly on the go and really wants a style with a minimal maintenance. So just try and always use a light moisturizing oil sheen to style your hair for shine and for moisture. God bless you guys. Just stay up to this beautiful channel, because here we're here to bring the best of short haircuts that are really trending. God bless you guys and see you in my next video.
go, what do you want, play?